Let's get over to Rick Santelli now. We got breaking economic data, and of course, we'll also get a bond report. Rick?
Yes, David, the Markit Markit PMIs are out. These are March preliminaries, which means in 2 weeks we'll get the finals. 59.0 is the headline manufacturing PMI. And just to give you an idea, the post-COVID high was actually January at 59.2, so very close. The remaining two, very nice, strong numbers. 60.0 on services. How does that compare? Well, that would be a post-COVID high if it sticks. And 59.1 is the composite. That would also be a post-COVID high if it sticks. Excuse me, I take that back. 59.5 last look was the high. So this is very close. Very solid numbers. Now let's get to the market. And if we look at what's going on in 10 years in a 24-hour chart, you could definitely see it looks mostly like it's climbing. And a 2-day chart gives you an idea that it really started to climb when it was above yesterday's low yields. And if you go all the way back to Friday, you can see we've reversed a bit. And a month-to-date chart, well, it's a solid month. As a matter of fact, we're up 25 basis points in yield for the month of March. Let's call it a quarter-point tightening, shall we? And much of the retracements that we had didn't last very long, and I think that's key because that really has been the pattern since the end of February's Fed meeting, where we continue to see rates climb. And if we switch gears a bit and look at the dollar index, once again, it may be the area that gives you the most information if you're investing in U.S. markets. Why? Because it's the only throttle that I see that's giving us a clue as to how we're supposed to interpret Janet Yellen and, of course, Chairman Jay Powell. It really is strong. Now, as you look at a 24-hour chart of the dollar index, it looks mostly sideways. Whoa, but then when you go to a 1-week chart, no way is it sideways. As a matter of fact, that 1-week chart, we're up over a cent, up 1.23%. Just in 5 trading days. And if you open the chart up to early November, if we close here, this will basically be a 4+ month high in the dollar index. So we want to see how that testimony on the Senate side goes today, see how much more horsepower all this stimulus is going to give that dollar index.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.